Well, this week escalated pretty quickly. What is going on, guys? Has here, CollectiveKicks.com. Check the link in the description if you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals. I found a couple of them myself from my own site, so kind of ridiculous that I fell for some of that. But wanted to share with you guys some of the pickups from this week from Nike and Adidas. Mostly a huge Adidas haul. And I got a hat trick right here that is something else. I'm super excited to show you guys these. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the video though. I'll start off with the stuff right in front of me. So I already told you guys last week that I got some Tiro pants, and this time I went back and got the ones that I wanted, which have that reflective 3M stripes on the sides. I super like this pair. Like I just thought it looked super rad. Every single time I go, I buy like a pair of Tiro pants. And then also I exchanged the wife's pair from last week's haul. If you saw, I got her a pair, but then when I got them home to her, I didn't check. I just gave them like, hey, look what I got you. And they're size large. She was like, dude, I'm not that big yet. Like she's like 6 months pregnant and super insecure about the size because her belly's showing quite a bit now. But yeah, so I messed it up, but I went back and I got her small. So yeah, tried to redeem myself the best I could. Those two were the Tiro pants, 500s right here. The super duper moon. Box farts. This is kind of interesting because the box does not say like super moon yellow or anything like that. It actually says SUMOYE, Samoy. Samoy. That has to be yellow in some language, I'm not sure what. But honestly, this is a really weird release because these don't look that yellow to me in hand. They look really tan, like beigeish to me, which is not too much different from the first released color. So if you guys want to see a detailed review of these on this channel, leave a like on this video or leave a comment and let me know. Hit me up on Twitter. Just let me know that you want to see this review. I know there's a lot of people that have already reviewed them. Kind of late to the party again, like I did my Desert Rat review. So if you guys want to see it, leave a comment, let me know. But this one was an easy pickup, 200 at retail. You pretty much can't even flip these anymore because StockX has them for super low. You're literally losing money to sell these things. But I ended up getting a pair in my size, so I was like, you know what? Kind of cool. I wanted to show you guys that I did get them. And actually, the more I see them, the more I like them. The only thing I don't really like is the colors. I think that they need to improve on that a lot. There's a lot that can be done to this to make this shoe stand out a lot more than it does. And that's pretty much all I'll say about that. This one I fell for my own links. I basically bought this because I was tweeting the deals out. And it kept on going back to this one, going, I really like this one. The price point is really, really crazy on this. So this is a pair of the Pure Boost in the black colorway with the black midsole. And the retail price on the box, actually it doesn't show. Retail price was $170, which these were only $60, 59 bucks. And I was like, I mean, I had to do it. Like I bought the triple black Nmds last sale because they were like 80 bucks. These ones were only 60. And I love the Pure Boost model in general. I think it's a comfortable model. I don't love that burrito tongue that they did, but I want to do that custom that I did on my previous one where I did the gold zip along the side right here. I bought a bunch of bulk zippers the last time I did that video, so I have more. And I can actually sew that on here and make a triple black, like acronym kind of inspired one. So I think I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll cut the cuffs off the back of this one. Some people wanted to see that last time. And really excited to do that custom on this pair of shoes. For $60, I was like, I might as well do it. And it could look really cool. You can buy a really cheap pair of sneakers like right now, especially on Adidas website. And I'll link it in the description for all of the Adidas sales because there's a ton of crazy deals. I think you can still get these for like 80 bucks or something like that with no coupon codes. But my point being that you can buy something on super deep discount and then actually just go in and modify it a little bit yourself to make it your own and then make it worth more than whatever I guess people think it's worth and really just make it more fun. And that's what I intend to do to this pair. I gotta take a break here. These things are no joke, dude. LaCroix or whatever. Coconut. I mean, Costco, you can get like a huge pack of these. We buy one every single time we go. I'm gonna save the hat trick for last because this is absolutely amazing. You guys are not gonna want to miss this. But real quick, because I'm not gonna actually open either of these, I wanted to show you what I got from the Off-White football collection. as you can see here. I actually lucked out and got the black hoodie, as you can see here. And it actually says logo right here, and it's kind of like a reflective material on there. And I thought that was cool. But I don't want to take this out of the package because I might sell this one, to be honest. Price points are like too high on this, and like I don't think I can justify wearing this. And I'm gonna keep it real, I don't watch soccer. And I know this is a football collection, and you don't really see a lot of football vibes in this. I love that it's black, I love that it has orange, and I love that I got my size, but I feel like a poser because I'm not a soccer fan. So because of that, I think I'm gonna let this one go on StockX and then use this to chip away from some of the other money that I spent this week. Sometimes you gotta do those type of things and make strategic decisions on which ones you wanna keep and which ones you wanna let go of. And unfortunately, I wanna keep it, but my heart says I probably shouldn't because, I mean, it's like $300 and something. I think $340 or something, $350 people are paying for this. That is that. And then here is the funniest part for you guys out there. I just said that I'm not a soccer fan, and then I went and got this. I got the soccer ball. For real. I don't know why. I'm actually going to open it for you guys because it looks like I can reseal it. But I just got done saying that I'm not a soccer fan, and yet I have a soccer ball here. Not just any soccer ball, the off-white soccer ball. That was $100. So this is the funniest reason why I think that I mentioned that. Because if you look at this soccer ball, it looks like somebody left it outside for like 25 years and then decided to bring it back inside. It looks crazy weathered. $100 though they were selling this for, and you can see the box has the little blue and the little orange. And oh, look at that, fancy. Crafted and individually distressed, one of a kind. That means somebody took their sweet time to actually create this crazy ball of distress. Somebody manually did all this labor. I feel sorry for that person, but $100, and I was like, dude, it's kind of fun to get a soccer ball, but at the end of the day, I do not need this, especially after my hat trick pickup. So I'm totally gonna let this one go as well. If actually anybody out there wants the ball, I'll probably sell it for like super cheap, like $150 or something like that, shipped. Email me and let me know. On to the next. All right, so if you guys actually waited around just to see this hat trick, I promise you it was worth it. Let's go ahead and check it out. So we ended up getting some unbelievable action from Adidas, and I cannot believe that they released them. And then I can't believe I got not, I guess it's more than a hat trick, because what's one extra one? I got 2 pairs for me, and I got 2 pairs for the wife. And you can tell from the boxes, the human race joints, boom. They had these at the Adidas employee store, and it was crazy how it went down. It was crazy that they actually ended up releasing at the Adidas employee store. Even crazier, they had them for half price. So like $250 retail, they're $125 for purchase. And I just am totally blown away that they had them. I love this pack when it came out, and I missed every single one. So you have the pink colorway here. It's like pink and purple, and I just really dig like the crazy tie-dye print on the upper. It's just kind of wild. And then this one's even wilder, that purple and green upper, and then it kind of has like Joker vibes to it. Hits of green. And then I do also like that they have alternate orange laces on this colorway. So those are the 2 that I got for me. And then also got the wife this colorway. She doesn't know it yet, but hopefully she'll like it. This is a black and purple colorway. This is actually the one that I wanted the most. I figured she would like this one, but I thought that she would probably like this one as well. So luckily, I was able to actually get an extra pair. So it just so happened that they ended up releasing these, but they also did something crazy. The fact that they were half price, and then they also offered 3 pairs. So you could buy 1 of each or 3 total. And then that was your limit as one of the customers that would come into the employee store. But that was nuts, and people were taking advantage of it to some extent, and so they ended up switching it around immediately to go from 3 pairs to 1 pair, and then later they even changed it so it was full price for the shoes instead of half price. How did I get 4 pairs though, you guys are wondering? Well, I got my 3, And I had, since I work above, I have coworkers that work there, and they were shopping around. One of them got me an extra one in my wife's size for the second colorway. Because honestly, I really wanted to get her this one because I didn't have it here, but I thought that she would personally like this one better, but we'll give her the option. That was why I actually ended up getting another one. I actually had other friends in the building that wanted to go back down and check them out after I came upstairs and showed them what I got, and they were like, no way. So I went back down the second time, and then the employees were giving me real bad vibes, like I was like cheating the system sort of thing. I wanted to get one more pair, honestly, for a friend. I tried, and then they pulled it at the register. They were like, no, you already bought some, you can't buy any more. So I didn't know they were gonna do that, but I could see why they would do that, and I totally respected that. Hopefully the employees and the manager aren't super mad at me for like bringing other people down there. It looked kind of sketch because I was bringing more people down. I did want to get one more pair, but ultimately like other people that I work with wanted to get them as well, and right now my work actually has an employee store pass. I don't have any other regular passes for people, so it made it look kind of a little bit fishy, but hopefully again they're not mad. But I can't believe that they actually had these. I mean, I don't know what happened or why, but this was absolutely insane. Crazy hat trick for me that I was able to get these, even though like it's really one for the wife. But Yeezys, Pure Boosts, NMDs, soccer ball, Tiros, and then Off-White hoodie, which is something that I really freaking wanted. I don't know. We'll see. I'm afraid to take this out of the package because if I take it out, I know I'm not going to want to get rid of it. Ultimately, there's some shiny things that you might see at the end of the week, at the end of the month, and the end of the year, and you might buy them and then regret it because you saw these other things that you wanted to buy. In my case, I'm lucky enough that I can still buy the other things, but there's still some regret there, so obviously I have to load balance and make the right choice. Again, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Appreciate y'all, and check back soon. I have some pretty good videos to come. If you want to see a review of these, if you actually want to see detailed reviews of the human race shoes, leave a comment and let me know, and I'll do it because I'm throwing these on feet for sure. And I mean, to prove that I'm keeping these, ayah, and ayah, yeah. I'm gonna lace swap these too. I think it's gonna be dope. Swap these up a little bit, maybe one of each, maybe 6 laces on each shoe. I think I've seen people do that, which is wild. Yo, that is all we have. I'm tired. It's been a long day for me, and I'm gonna let you guys go. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching. We'll catch you guys for some more sneaker videos soon. Peace, guys.